Hi everyone, in front of me I've got BLACKVIEW Tab 12 Pro, and let me share with you how to show battery percentage on the status bar in this device. So if you've got only the battery indicator and if you want to show the battery percentage, you have to simply enter the settings, and in this left section we have to scroll down to find the battery. And as you can see, almost at the very bottom of this first section, we've got the battery percentage option. All we have to do here is to tap on the switcher, and as you can see, immediately your device will show you the exact percentage inside the battery icon. We do not have any other option which will allow us to actually change the look or the style of the battery percentage, but that's okay. We still have it on the status bar. Of course, you can turn it off the same way just by tapping on the switcher again, so it's up to you which option is more comfortable for you. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.